Good morning, campers, or should I say anglers, because here we are. We got the, it's hard to get a whole thing in there, but anyway, turn this around. Introduce myself first. This is Mark of Mark's Adventure Club, out here about to get on the water and see if we can't scare up a few fish. And we got the beautiful sunrise behind us, and this is what it looks like from where I'm sitting at the kayak launch, Wallace's Bait and Tackle, also known as Fox Hill boat launch, and about to take off. So let's get it going. Get this thing adjusted right so we can see what we're doing out here. That looks pretty good. We'll check it as we go. Anyway, I'll check back with you because I'm not going to keep this running all the time until I get to actual fishing. So let's go. Just throw in a little bit of a here we go kind of clip into this. And out here it's pretty much got a little bit of a dawn breeze, so it's just a little bit choppier than it would be. It should calm down just a little bit here. And if anybody out there knows why my sonar keeps doing this, just seizes up on me. It's done that. I had this same unit on a John boat for a while, and it did it there too. If I was moving, this sonar would stop scrolling, and then if I stopped moving, it would usually start to pick up again. But right now, it's just I'm moving at 2 miles an hour, and it's not. There it goes. Talk about it, it starts to scroll again. Anyway, let's try a little jig action here. I just had a little bite, but it was a tail nibbler. Once again, the wind is a little bit stronger than it said it was supposed to be. I should just count on that, I guess, because it just seems to be the way my world works. I already had to replace a blown fuse, had the kayak in the water at the launch, and my fish finder wouldn't turn on. So, get off the kayak, go back to the truck, get a fuse. Now I have some spare fuses here, that's all a learning experience, right? I think I might as well get my my other rod set up and put out some minnows. While I'm jigging. Yeah, let me go ahead and do that. Right there. That's the one. That's I save all these envelopes. This had hooks or something in it, but it's a little Ziploc envelope. It's pretty sturdy plastic, and if I can get it back down in there so you can read it, this is a double dropper with 25-pound mono, and number 1 or 1/0, I can never tell the difference, circle hooks. And so we undo this. Oh wow, came undone easily. This is the one that has the bobber stop on it, because I had been using this to fish live baits for some bass. There we go. There's that. Let's see, let's get a weight. The weight's in here? Yes, they are. I'm not used to the kayaking. Like, where's this? Where's that? Who knows? Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of kayakers? This is one of the few things I didn't sell when I sold my old kayak. Came with it when I bought it. It's a little, these little boxes. I got a small Plano box in there with some, what's that? That's my spoons. Got a gotcha, some other things. A float, some leader material. Oh. Oh, fish on. Oh no. Yes, yes. Fish on. Fish on. Doesn't feel bad either. What is it? What is it? A little drum, I think. He's putting up a fight. Oh, it's a bluefish. All right, but it's a fish. Okay. Bloody. But can you see him? Yeah, you can see him. He'll be fine. Finally. All right. He took the minnow. And let's see, is the shrimp still on here? No, the shrimp's gone too. Put on my, I always call it a gator, but I got a friend that calls it a buff, and I'm like, okay, whatever you want to call it, to keep the sun off my neck. There he is. No, there he isn't. Circle hooks. There he is that time. Another one, and probably another bluefish. No. Little flounder. And he came off. Okay. What happened there? Look at that boy. He's only about 12, maybe 13 inches, maybe. But nice. Nice. Let's get a bigger one of these and we can have some dinner. And he hit on the minnow, which is still on the hook. So guess what? Going back out over there. Okay, come on. It can't be the only two fish over there. That's the slope going down into the channel. I'm not sure how deep I am. I'm sitting in 7 feet, but it doesn't. There's a fish on. Not very big. What do we got? Feels like a bluefish. What do we got? What do we got? Tell us what we got here. Oh no, third species. Croaker. Took the shrimp on I switched it up. I put the shrimp on the upper. That's right, let go. There you go. Hear him? Croak. There you go. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Little baby. Yeah, he would make excellent shark bait. That's all I've caught on him when I've live lined in here. That's all I've caught is sharks. Had a nice one once. Didn't have video on that. Didn't have the capabilities back then. Oh, something on that? Yeah, something's on it. Fish on. Might be a little better fish. Then again, maybe not. Huh? What do we got this time? Another croaker. Damn. Keep reeling up too far. It's just not used to it yet. Just not used to it yet. He's almost keeper size. It's pretty small. What's that? Oh, okay. That's what I thought you said. That's what I thought he said. Oh. That was a nice bite. Just one tug. That's what flounder do. Bluefish, chomp, chomp, chomp. 2 or 3 chomps, they got your bait, or they've cut it up. Croaker, nibble, nibble, nibble. But flounder just go goomp. Could also be a crab. Ooh. That was a croaker, but it was a nice bite. He was serious about taking my shrimp, so he probably did. Now let's bring it in. Let's see what we got left. Oh, okay. Actually, that was probably a bluefish. Chomp, chomp, chomp. You see that? Yeah. That's what bluefish do. Now, if I leave that on there, another bluefish will hit it. So I'm going to leave it on there. Why waste the bait? But somebody also took my shrimp. A scrump. Oh no, I missed him. Oh no, I didn't. There he is. He's on. That feels a little better. Little bluefish. He's almost big enough to eat. Ah, dagnabbit. Yeah, he's big enough to eat. Got the little ones. Of course. Got two sizes in there. I grabbed the one that's sticking out, thinking it's the bigger one. Get him right down there. On the ice. All right. Well, we got something to eat. Not big, but it's something. now we want to turn on. Yeah. Alrighty, we're just gonna try right here. So if you take a look at the screen on my display unit there, it's frozen up again. It's not giving me the depth reading. I was trying to find a very specific location where I had had some good luck. There was a little bit of a hole, and of course with the screen not giving me the readout, I couldn't find it. So I'm just trying in the general vicinity. Whoa. That was a hit. And of course, I missed it because I got this thing in my hand. Oh, come on. Well, the wind finally calmed down enough to allow me to get out into the main channel and do a little drift with the outgoing tide. Looking for some flounder here, and we'll just let you watch and see what happens. Lizard. We got another fish and another species. Les lizards. They're toothy, so definitely want to have a care. There he is. Little tiny lizard fish. And they do have teeth. So, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Let's see here. This way a bit. Whoops. Keep doing that. Try to find that slope a little bit. Fish do tend to sit on the slope better than on the flat. There it is. There's the base of that slope. These glasses. That was not. Whoa! That's a fish on. Feels like a bluefish. Might be another decent one. Actually, it feels like a flounder. It is a flounder. Whoa. Shit. Come on. He's not going to keep, I don't think, but we're going to see how big he is anyway. So we're going to do the thing, do the do here. Nah, he's not going to keep. But we want to see how big he is. About 14, maybe not quite. Oh, I didn't give you a good view of him. Well, I hope you got a good look. And that's what I was waiting all day for. Trying to get a drift here. And let's get another. Another minnow. So I ran the battery in my camera down all the way, and I didn't get to do a outro or a end cap or whatever we call it in the video bloggers world. Try to catch a little bit more stuff on the way in. It got super hot, and so basically you saw what I caught. 7 fish, 4 species. I brought home the larger of the 2 bluefish, which was no prize certainly, but he made a nice little sandwich for dinner. And anyway, I want to once again thank you all for watching. Thank you for checking out my site, and be cool out there. Be safe. Try to get this right here like that. Bye now.